Hey, Mon here, and I've got my helper
Maya
with me. And today we are trying out the Shimmering slime
set.
That's right, slime set. This slime's supposed to be holographic.
And it's sticky,
And this
so
is the box.
remember to wash your hands.
It is for children age 6 and over. And by looking at the box, it seems that it's very easy to make. You just mix the ingredients, you add glitter, and then you play with it. Yeah. And this is what the set comes with. It's got 2 pouches of ready-made slime, 2 pouches of glitter, holographic glitter, stirring stick, slime pot, and instructions. Okay. So these are 2 pots of ready-made slime, a container for mixing, silver and gold glitter. One is a stripy glitter and the other is very fine, your usual type of glitter.
Yeah, normal.
And that's the instructions. Okay, so the instructions are really simple. Step 1, place the tub of pre-made slime into a mixing cup. Oh gosh, that looks slimy.
Yeah. This looks like jelly, by the way.
Step 2, take 1 bag of holographic glitter and slowly start to pour it into your slime using the stirring stick to mix together. And try to mix it in. It's a fluffy slime. To help mix the slime with glitter, use the stirring stick to slowly fold by scraping around the edge of the tub and through the center until the slime and glitter are well mixed. Can you see how weird this looks, everyone? It's just so... like, this glitter doesn't want to go inside the slime. Wow.
So fluffy.
So try to fold it. I'm making a royal mess here.
Like this. Dab it.
Ah! What do you think, guys? How does that look to you? That's very messy.
Write the comment section below.
Let us know what you think, guys. Is that a fail yet or not yet? The next, take 1 bag of glitter and slowly add this to your slime, continuing to mix well. What?
You have to add a different.
More? Okay, this one actually gets stuck to the slime much better.
Oh, it's so cool.
Look at that, everyone. That looks pretty cool, actually. That looks like slime now.
This looks like real fluffy slime.
Look at the mess. Maya doesn't want to touch it. But it does feel like a slime now.
It feels a bit fluffy.
It's still very messy, but the glitter, that fine glitter we've had, actually got stuck to the slime pretty well. A little bit is still coming off on my hands, but it's not bad. Okay,
It's a gloopy slime.
I think we need to try it a bit different the second time round. Okay guys, attempt number 2. I've tried to clean up the area here as much as I could, but we're literally covered in glitter. It's everywhere. We're going to put this fine glitter first, and then we're going to add the holographic one. We're not gonna tip a lot of it, just a little bit.
I want you to tip it.
Why not you?
Because I put it.
You just don't want to get messy, do you? slime bubble.
It doesn't want to pop.
You want to pop it? Oh my gosh. Yes, it's popped. I'm going to try to mix that bit in. I think we can add some more glitter here. Okay, I think that will do. We're going to add the holographic glitter to it. And this is what it looks like now. That looks much better than the gold one. Should we add some more, Maya? No? Yeah, I think we're going to leave it like that. And there they are. This is what they look like. Actually, this gold one turned out quite nice in the end. I thought it would be a fail, but it's actually pretty cool. Look at that, guys. Oh, I think we might have to put some more glitter in this one. But yeah, it's very slimy, as you can see. Very soft and feels very runny. I do like the consistency of the slime. It's pretty cool. What do you think, Maya?
I think I like the this one.
The silver one?
Yeah, because it turned a bit nice.
You think it's nicer? Yeah, I think I like the gold one actually.
I think I like them both actually.
So that was our slime making afternoon. Let us know in the comment section below which one do you like more.
The golden one or the silver one.
Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, bye!